Hello friends, today we will know this drawing how can do design in SolidWorks. So you can see this drawing and I will create in SolidWorks. Okay, so you can see here 75 millimeters into 100 millimeter into 64 length width plus height. Okay, so first of all I will start front plane sketch front plane and sketch. So this line 75 millimeters height plus 100 millimeters and 64 millimeters. So 75 millimeters roughly I starting roughly dimension. So this okay, so this line, this thickness equal should be equal. Okay, first of all, so this dimension as per drawing is not equal. I am sorry, this drawing, this dimension should be 20 millimeters. Okay, you can see here. Okay, 20 millimeters and this 15 millimeters. So 15 millimeters now add. Okay, and this length 100 millimeter and this line 75 millimeters. As you know, just I am sketching as per drawing. Okay, so 75 millimeters, 100 millimeters and extrude length 64 millimeters. So now I am starting extrude command and 64 millimeters unit, 64 millimeter add and okay. So I will create. So just I want to say this should be mid plane, to start. Okay, so mid plane, so you can see here, so plane. Okay, so this plane come so part between center. Okay, front line. So now I created this rib. So this rib created, so 14 plus 17. Okay, so this plane I sketch on this face. Okay, so now simply rib add and this dimension. So I add sketch dimension. Okay, so 70 millimeters and this dimension according drawing 40 millimeter. So 40 millimeter mention and extrude middle. So you can see here mid plane how much thickness rib 12 millimeter. So 12 millimeter add simply and then okay. So this model has been completed and then this profile I will sketch on this face. Okay, so space trace one time and this face. Okay, so roughly sketch angle should be, and then angle So now this sketch should be middle line, okay, and this line and this line should be equal, okay, and this line and this sketch should be 60 millimeter, 60 degree, okay. So 60 degree, just I mentioned 60 degree and plus height 12 millimeter, 12 millimeter height and 30 millimeter, 12 millimeter, this line to this line, 12 millimeter and plus 30 millimeter, okay, and then taken extrude command, extrude cut command and 3 through this command, okay, and one more command. So 16 plus 16 2 times cut, and you can see here I created chamfer 16 into 16. So you can see here length plus symmetry 10 millimeter, okay, and 10 millimeter, and this sketch has been created according to the drawing. So now has been completed 3D model accordingly this drawing, okay दोस्तों. If you like this video, so please subscribe, and if you have any question, so please comment, okay. Thank you.